Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Let's kick this Tinker Day off. Back on this seatbelt situation. Got the right one now. Let me disconnect the battery. Get this thing off. See if I have any vacuum open here. Why this dang on car starts smoking all of a sudden. I don't see nothing down there. Oh man. Wonder if my PCV hose came loose down there. Man, I can't see down there. These seatbelts are extremely sensitive to the angle. I could not get this thing to pull out. Mounted it right up, comes right out. So let me go ahead and get the trim on here. Get this thing ready to fly. Got that all done, the battery hooked back up. Having a hard time closing this door. I think I moved this in a little too far when I changed the door, so I'm gonna move this out just a smidgen. T30, so let me take care of that, see if I can get this door to close a little easier. It was actually a T40, so I came out about a 1/16 of an inch. See if that helps me, because people gotta slam this door to get it to latch. First shot closed pretty good, and it don't look really bad on the evenness, just barely. So I'm gonna leave that there. Door closes easier. Really couldn't see down in this PCV system. I guess I'm gonna have to get my camera, go down there and make sure this hose is not disconnected on top of that box. Everything else looks fine. That would be a mess. Having to pull that intake manifold, getting that stuff secured back over there. Yeah, you can't see down over there. That's hard. But everything up on this side looks fine. All the vacuum and PCV tubes and everything is good here. If I'm gonna have some smoking issues, I gotta dig into that. Well, it's 3:20, 3:21, so I had to get that right. Then I'm gonna hook up the cable so that I can do a data pull. Best to plug the cable in before you start the car, so let me do that. Then I need to get the radio code for this radio. I'm sure that's not it, so I'm gonna have to guess at it or pull that out and grab the code again, because I haven't written it in my sun visor yet. I don't know what's going on. Something's been going on lately. My phone's been stopping videos. Got that code entered, got my time set. I got a package to mail off somebody's part. Gotta do my warranty for my tires. I need to file this receipt away for a part from the junkyard. Go do a pull if I can. I got this plugged in already. I'll get to my spot, hook up my computer, see if I could do a pull. You know, I'm a little disappointed in the way that Ford's wastegate actuator is designed, but we'll see if it affects my boost. The spring really controls the boost, so that thing is pretty much like a manual boost controller in a way. So we're going to see if it will function and help me with my boost, and hopefully my tune is set up in a way that I won't blow up my engine trying to get this thing tuned, because the wastegate actuator doesn't function like a Volvo wastegate actuator. So anyway, let's get rolling. I'm also going to stop by Home Depot to get supplies to fix my rooftop carrier. Probably not going to have no time really to do any work on Panther, but I'll do a pull and drive on the highway. That'll tell me if the new tires took care of my suspension shimmy. If not, I'm gonna have to get under there and check these control arms again. Yeah, we got some boost going on now. I changed that wastegate actuator spring. Man, this thing is out of control now. I'm knocking before I even get started. I seen the boost go up to 10 psi. So I'm gonna do a little bit of show here. I don't know if you can see the boost gauge or not because of the way the sun's going. Alright, I'm in third gear at 40. Got some engine knocking. Man, it's strong. Need to get that tune adjusted. Didn't see it the first time, but I see it now. This hose is off of here. Knew I had a vacuum leak somewhere. I don't know if I just blew that off with all the boost or if it was off already, but this hose going to this intake on the other side was loose just now. So I'm gonna strap that up. It might have popped off with the boost. Stop at the junkyard was a bust. Man, I had 3/8 inch tools. Everything they had was too tight for me. I almost broke my ratchet. A couple other things. So I need to find my 1/2 inch tools, my 1/2 inch breaker bar, my 1/2 inch sockets. Come back out here and put Henrietta on that job. Henrietta knocked that CV axle bolt off in about 2 seconds, but I didn't have the sockets, impact sockets for the rest of that stuff. So I need to recoup, come back, headed to Home Depot. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.